Good morning everyone, it's the Sassy Lass bringing you another Cricut tutorial. I'm going to decorate these 3 tumblers and show you how I did it. So we're going to go from this to this using Cricut Design Space and my Cricut Maker and Cricut's adhesive foil. We are about to get into the Design Space portion of the video. Now I talk a lot with my hands and the mouse was in my hands, so it is moving a lot and I do apologize for that. I'm using an old project that I created using an image from Access and a font from Access, but I need to change it up a little bit. So the first thing that I'm going to have to do is separate the font from my camera image. I brought in a square and resized it to cover I Shoot People, and then I sliced it to separate the 2 parts. I don't want to delete I Shoot People because I may want to use it later, so I'm just going to hide it. And I had already added in my other text before, so I'm going to unhide that. It was a little bit too big as is, so I sized down the camera a little bit. Then I made sure that everything was lined up nice and neat, did a little more finessing, and then I attached it. Anything that is visible on the canvas is going to be cut out. So it is very important to make sure that anything you don't want right now is hidden. My zombie cup was the most simple. All I had to do was upload the image and then resize it. I uploaded the Don't Give a Sip image and then had to play around with the sizing a little bit to make sure that it fit and looked the way that I wanted it to. This is adhesive vinyl, not iron-on, so you need to be sure that your vinyl is facing up. After I let my Cricut do all of its crickety magic, I trim around my design so that it is easier to weed. Using the Cricut app on my phone, I pulled up my camera image so that I could be sure I was not weeding anything out of that image that I was not supposed to. So here are my 3 images that have been completely weeded and covered in transfer tape. So here are my final projects. I feel like I got super lucky at how well that purple vinyl matched the lid of that cup. So again, Mama's Gonna Snap was created entirely with Cricut Design Space using fonts and images from Access. Don't Give a Sip was created using my own handwriting, the Adobe Capture app, and Adobe Illustrator. After seeing the final product, I do need to do a little work on it, but it is still super cute. I'm Not a Zombie was created in Adobe Illustrator with 3 different fonts that I turned into an SVG. I did take off the exclamation mark because I somehow lost my dot. If there is anything that you would like to see in more detail, be sure to let me know by leaving me a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, you thought it was useful, and you would like to see some more, then let me know that as well by giving me a thumbs up. While you're commenting and hitting that thumbs up button, go ahead and subscribe so that you won't miss any future videos. I hope that this video was useful and that you have a wonderful evening.